The maximum capacity of subshells to accommodate electrons is: S subshell can accommodate 2 electrons. P subshell can accommodate 6 electrons. All electrons do not have the same energy and are accommodated in different shells according to increasing energy and capacity of shell. First, electrons go to the K shell, which has minimum energy. It can accommodate 2 electrons. After that, electrons will go to L shell, accommodate 8 electrons. Now K and L shells have accommodated 10 electrons. The electronic configuration will be written as K2L8M1. It is written as 2, 8 and 1. The distribution of electrons in subshells is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1.